Hey everyone, take a look at this graphic right here. That is a professional, ready to post social media announcement, and it took me less than 5 minutes using Adobe Express. I'm Claudio, your host, and on this channel we make things that look expensive without spending a cent. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build an announcement graphic like this using Adobe Express, step by step, live on screen. Whether you're launching a product, promoting an event, announcing something big, you're going to nail this. So let's go. All right, I'm inside Adobe Express and I'm going to be searching for announcements using the template search. So I'm going to go ahead and see what shows up. You'll see hundreds, maybe not thousands of different options that are generally well-designed templates, not the generic stuff you'll find everywhere else. Now, you can filter by platform, you can search for Instagram, stories, portrait, LinkedIn, landscape, whatever you want. You can match the format to where you're posting. So this does matter. Now, this one looks fairly clean. It's bold. It's got some great contrast. Now, my rule is I want to pick something close to my brand energy and something that I can work with. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is edit the text that I see. I'm going to click on the text boxes and replace it with my own text. Now, I'm doing a new course launch. Something big is coming. So I want to keep it short. I want to keep it punchy, like 6 words or less hits really well. Now, subtext, this is like supporting line, like date, call to action, the key detail, maybe like launching the 1st of June, be the first to know. Boom, there it is. Now for fonts, I can click the text and I can edit and change the fonts. There are hundreds to choose from the Adobe fonts, and they're all commercially licensed. Find one that matches your brand vibe or just go clean and modern. You can't go wrong. Now, speaking of brands, there is a brand button available to set up your brand kit in Adobe Express. Now, if you're interested in knowing a little more, I can create a tutorial. Just let me know by dropping it in the comments. Now for colors, this is where your brand comes alive. Click any element and open the color picker, drop in your hex code. No brand colors, just hit themes, and Express has some gorgeous curated palettes ready to use right now. Now for logo, drag and drop it right onto the canvas. Express snaps it to alignment guides automatically, resize, position, and done. All right, now for background image. You can upload your own photo, which is great if you have brand photography, but and this is where it gets wild. You can generate a completely custom background with generative AI right here in Adobe Express. You don't have to go anywhere else. Let me show you how. Generative AI does require a premium subscription, but Adobe Firefly is built right into this. So I can type something like a close-up lens with dark, moody lights, and then click on generate. And check it out. All done within Adobe Express. Now look at that, 4 unique generated images in less than 10 seconds. Just pick the one that works. A completely custom background built for the exact graphic in under a minute. Now, one more thing, and this one is a game changer. Now, if you look, there is an animate option here. One click, your static graphic becomes a motion post. That easy. I'm going to go with pop. That's like one of my favorites. It's clean, professional, and works for everything. Check it out. Then export it as an MP4 for Reels, TikTok stories, LinkedIn video, and that's it. A professional announcement graphic, all done in under 5 minutes using Adobe Express. So now it's your turn to give it a try. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos just like this one. And I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching this. Until the next time, peace.